I'm gonna take some aerial video of you guys from above.
Yeah.
One hand in this shit. Hey guys, I think this is the easier way up. I don't know if there's an easier way over there. Oh look, yeah, you can get up here. Hi.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, this way was pretty, it's less hard than this way, I think.
Looks less steep.
I think this is more steep than that way. But you guys are already over on this side, so you know.
Keep your soldiering up. We're gonna go back around.
All right,
Keep going.
I'll just kind of hang around up here, all right?